EMIF, Automatic Micro-Inspection of Fineness. EMIF is a joint project between PPG Valencia and the University Institute of Control Systems and Industrial Computing. In the plant of PPG in Valencia, we always care for quality and security in the procedures. We make a continuous effort for improving all the aspects of production. EMIF is born with the intention of optimizing the up till now visual test of crater quantification in terms of density and depth and particle fineness measuring. Crater presence evaluation is done by examining a piece of sheet coated with a paint under exam. The fineness quantification of the particles composing the paint is done by spreading one paint drop over a metallic gouge and analyzing its surface. The common factor of both tests is a surface analysis. Therefore, it is possible to use the same system of image capture to perform the tests. The system consists of two steps. 1. High-resolution image capture. Inside of a light-proof black box that protects the test area from the external light, we can find one linear high-resolution camera and one side light emitter that allows us to capture images of the tested surface with a resolution of 8192 per 12500 pixels. One magnetized mobile base allows us to hold a piece of painted sheet in order to evaluate crater presence, or a metallic gouge spreading the sample drop at the time that the capture is taken. 2. One computer analysis system of the obtained images that easily and effectively quantifies the crater's density and depth, as well as the fineness of the particles composing the paint. The device has achieved the aims marked as a premise in the development of the project, offering several advantages in the face of the visual counting procedure. Environment control, protected from the external light pollution that can affect the digitalized image. The capture is performed by one single light beam. The light conditions are exactly the same any day at any hour. Repeatability. Despite the regulations, the visual test depends on one individual's perception, and therefore it is subjective. In contrast, EMIF provides an objective method, able to repeat an accurate counting as often as needed. Reproducibility. The system can be installed in different plants, ensuring the homogeneity of the performed tests and therefore matching and guaranteeing the normative standards. Quality. According to the mentioned reasons, the developed system proves to be a more effective and reliable way of counting than the traditional visual way. This has a direct effect in improving the production quality. Safety at work. The visual test performed by an operator requires an extra eyesight effort in order to make out and count crater size and fineness. Daily repeating this test during several years can imply eye overexertion, causing or increasing eye health problems such as presbyopia. Traceability. The captures of successive samples are stored and are always available to be picked up again, analyzed and/or compared at any moment. This allows an absolute control of the production procedures. Productivity. Having blended the pigments with a base, the resultant mix goes through the grinders, where the particles are grounded to reduce their size until barely 9 microns. The fineness test is a proof to evaluate the particle size. The effectiveness in this control process allows us to reduce the resident stage in grinding, which directly leads to a flow increase and, as a result, to a production increase. EMIF is a solution to the continuous PPG premise of quality and reliability improvement in the production procedures, as well as in the safety at the workplace. one pioneer system that improves the micro-inspection of craters and particle fineness, offering a wide range of advantages in the face of the visual testing.